In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames in Canva. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to enhance your design skills, this simple tutorial will help you get started with frames in just a few minutes. Let's begin by opening Canva and heading over to the home page. Once you're there, look toward the toolbar on the left side where you'll find the Elements tab. This is your gateway to a wide array of design elements that Canva offers. Click on Elements and you'll see numerous options ranging from shapes to illustrations. Among these, you're going to click on the Frames option. Frames in Canva act as placeholders that allow you to crop and mask images into various shapes. They're a powerful tool for creating eye-catching designs. Once you've clicked on frames, you'll notice a variety of shapes and styles you can choose from. For this tutorial, let's use a simple circle frame. Selecting a frame is just a click away. Once you've decided, click on it and then drag and drop it into your design space. Now that you have your frame positioned, the next step involves adding an image to this frame. To do this, navigate to the left toolbar again and click on the Uploads tab. This is where you can access all the images you've previously uploaded or choose to upload new ones directly from your device. If you need to upload a new image, simply hit the upload button and select the image file from your computer. With your image uploaded, go ahead and drag it over to the frame you previously placed in your design space. You'll see the image snap into the frame, automatically adjusting to fit within the boundaries of the selected shape. This is where the magic of frames really comes into play, as you can seamlessly mask your image into any shape, enhancing the visual appeal of your project. Now that your image is in place, you can further adjust it by double-clicking the frame. This lets you reposition or resize the image inside the frame to ensure it appears just the way you want it. Take your time to experiment with different images and frames to see what works best for your design. Using frames in Canva is a straightforward yet incredibly powerful way to bring your designs to life with creativity and precision. It's ideal for anyone looking to craft impressive graphics for social media, marketing materials, or personal projects. So take some time to play around with different frames and images and you'll soon be creating beautiful designs with ease. That's it for today's tutorial on using frames in Canva. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.